Hi guys, welcome back to Tweetsie Railroad. It's Gary Denstuhl at the Tweetsie Fudge Works. This weekend is Mother's Day weekend, and so we're making something special this weekend just for mothers. The treat that we're making are our chocolate-covered chocolate fudge pops. When we start our recipe for chocolate fudge, we start with pure white sugar. Then we add XX whipping cream. We cook that up to a certain degree, then we take it off the fire, we add pure vanilla and some white marshmallow foam. It gives it a little bit more fluff to the piece. Then we add pure milk chocolate. After all the ingredients are in and it's ready to pour out on a solid marble slab, we pour it out and it must sit still for 24 hours before we can begin to cut it. We cut it into bite-sized pieces. We insert the stick, and it comes to my favorite part where we cover each piece in luscious dark chocolate. We look forward to seeing all of you this special Mother's Day weekend. So stop into the fudge shop for a special treat just for mothers.